Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Journey to God YouTube channel. I wish you a blessed day, and welcome to another daily devotional. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and be sure to hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. Today is September 22nd, and today's devotional topic is hating our own sins. 2 Peter chapter 3 verse 9 says, "The Lord is not slack concerning his promise, as some count slackness, but is long-suffering toward us, not willing that any should perish, but that all should come to repentance." To truly be Christ-like, we must love our neighbors as ourselves. There is no room for a better-than-thou attitude in the life of a Christian. We must learn to hate the sin in our own lives more than we hate the sins of others. This may be quite a struggle, but when we do, we'll have more love for our fellow man. We'll be less critical, less judgmental, and more patient with everyone we meet. Simply put, we will be more like Jesus. Studies have shown that people who are quick to find fault with others usually are struggling with that same sin in their own lives. The Bible tells us in Romans chapter 3 verse 23 that we are all sinners and have come short of the glory of God. Instead of pointing fingers at others, let's ask God to point out the sin in our own lives and then ask Him to forgive and give us the strength and power to overcome it. Then pray and ask God for a deeper love for our friends and neighbors and the strength to help them, not condemn them. God stands willing and ready to replace the judgment in our hearts with His unending, patient, passionate love. Thank you for tuning into another daily devotional video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on that notification bell. And if you have any questions or feedback, post them in the comment section where I'll be reading all of them. Thank you and have a blessed day.